wish you knew me like trivia, the little things that nobody knows. Like my birthday, brother's name, hometown, homestay, where I always buy my clothes. I wish this wasn't so trivial. I need more than a transient love. Oh, I wish you knew me like trivia, but you don't know me nearly enough, nearly enough. Small talk is alright. Isn't this weather nice? Traffic's always terrible. Our friends are doing fine, and all this talk is small. You don't know me at all. I'd like to know you better, love, before we try to fall. We're strangers till we share something more. I wish you knew me like trivia, little things that nobody knows. Like my birthday, brother's name, hometown, homestay, where I always buy my clothes. I wish this wasn't so trivial. I need more than a transient love. Oh, I wish you knew me like trivia, but you don't know me nearly enough, nearly enough. Small talk is boring. Like, how was your morning? Did you have a good breakfast? How was your coffee? We can do better, talk so much deeper, get to know each other now, climb something steeper. Cause we're strangers till we share something more. I wish you knew me like trivia, little things that nobody knows. Like my birthday, brother's name, hometown, homestay, where I always buy my clothes. I wish this wasn't so